Good morning, gadget fans. The area of lighting technology never ceases to amaze me with new innovations, such as in today's review, which is an asymmetrical, eye-friendly LED desk lamp by Leimove Lighting. While I get it unboxed, let me explain what asymmetrical refers to here, because it's something I've never seen applied to a lamp before. The LEDs are designed and positioned in a way that takes handedness into account, so you can write without shadows. Pretty crazy, huh? So let's test it out and look at the other features. It's got a smooth, flexible gooseneck for easy positioning, a USB port for phone charging or other devices, a touch panel switch with 3 different levels of brightness. You can either tap or swipe it and it seems responsive. Hold for a few seconds and it'll shut off. It also remembers the last brightness setting you had it on. If you're left-handed, like me, you'll want the model that goes on the right side, like this one, and vice versa. You position the light more or less like this. The instructions have a more detailed diagram though. In addition to not producing shadows, the light is supposed to minimize eye strain by using a color temperature similar to natural light. It also has anti-flicker. For best results, use the lamp with a little ambient light too. But I could also imagine this being the ultimate homework stealth light. If you're in college and have an angry roommate, you can still see on the low setting, and even the button makes no noise. Hear that? No, you don't. So that about sums it up. We'll leave a link below so you can check it out. It's a very nice modern light for office or dorm or wherever. And remember, there's a different model for lefties and righties, so you know Leimove did some serious homework to make a lamp this detailed. Also, use the coupon code Leimove20 to get 20% off. So take care of your eyes and treat yourself to a new lamp. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We've got new reviews all the time.